How did poor quality control cause the Challenger disaster? Have you ever wondered how a small flaw can lead to a major disaster? The Challenger disaster is a perfect example of this. The tragedy occurred on January 28, 1986, when the Space Shuttle Challenger broke apart just 73 seconds into its flight. The main cause was the failure of an O-ring seal in the right solid rocket booster. This O-ring was supposed to prevent hot gases from escaping during launch. However, poor quality control allowed this critical issue to persist, leading to catastrophic failure. One of the key factors was that known design flaws were ignored. Engineers had previously observed erosion and damage to the O-rings on earlier flights. These signs indicated a risk of failure. Despite this knowledge, management accepted the risk without taking proper corrective action. This reflects a breakdown in quality control processes that should have identified and mitigated such defects. Another significant issue was inadequate risk assessment and communication. On the night before the launch, engineers raised concerns about the O-ring's performance in cold temperatures. The temperature was unusually low that day. Morton Thiokol engineers recommended postponing the launch due to the risk of O-ring failure. Unfortunately, NASA management dismissed these warnings and pressured the contractor to approve the launch. This failure in communication shows a lack of effective quality control governance. The disaster also revealed cultural and organizational failures in quality management. The organization prioritized schedule and budget over safety and quality. Quality control procedures were often bypassed or ignored. This led to a normalization of deviance, where known defects were accepted as normal without proper corrective measures. Such a culture prevented safety concerns from being escalated and weakened the overall quality management system. Additionally, the lack of robust quality control systems played a role. The quality control system failed to ensure that suppliers met necessary standards. Critical safety issues were not escalated appropriately. The absence of rigorous checks and transparent communication between NASA and its contractors contributed to the disaster. Project managers can learn practical lessons from the Challenger disaster. First, it is essential to establish and maintain a strong quality management system. This system should integrate technical checks, risk assessments, and clear communication channels. Second, encourage a culture where safety and quality concerns can be raised without fear of reprisal. It is vital that these concerns are taken seriously at all management levels. Avoiding normalization of deviance is also important. Treat any recurring defects as signals for immediate investigation and resolution. Ensure that supplier quality control is robust and all stakeholders collaborate transparently to address potential risks. Lastly, make data-driven decisions that prioritize safety over schedule or budget pressures, especially when critical risks are identified. By understanding how poor quality control contributed to the Challenger disaster, project managers can reinforce the importance of comprehensive quality assurance and control processes. This knowledge can help prevent similar failures in their own projects.